Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? Make sure to subscribe. So today I'm going to show you guys very quickly how to create a ponytail with braids. And as you can see, I have these beautiful braids done by Arcosia. I'll put her link down below, but I really want to have a nice cute ponytail. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have braids, I can do ponytails. But you know what? You can, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how. So yeah, let's get right into this video. All right, so I did a little bit of my edges already, because I already know where my part is gonna be. So I want my part to be all the way here. So up next, what I do is I just brush all the hair to one side, and I just add it all. I'm trying to make it as flat as possible at the top. So then I take the part that is going to create the swoop for me, whatever you call it. So then I'm gonna make sure I make a very tight ponytail. And I like to make my ponytail with the hair itself. And then I take one of my braids and go around it. And just pull it as tight as you can without giving yourself a headache. Thank you. So now we have our ponytail. I'm gonna turn around, take the front, and make that our little swoop. So I like to make sure it's very flat. To just place it how you want your swoop to be. Yeah, that's nice. So I take the hair. And just like that, you have yourself a very cute ponytail. I need to wear some earrings. So here is the final look. Honestly, I love this look. This is probably my favorite new look to do with my braids. Like, it just looks so neat and like, what? Talk nice to me. Talk nice to me. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this beautiful ponytail. Is it a go or a no? Let your girl know in the comments below. Hey, I'm rhyming today. Come on. Anyways, yeah, that is it for this video. Honestly, guys, I'm so close to 30k subscribers. Help your sister out. Subscribe to this channel. Be part of the Ash gang. And y'all, let's keep it moving. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.